Hi guys, Beach Gaming and Training Cards, and today I'm doing a foodie and taste of these Halloween haribos. As you can see here, it is very close to Halloween, as you know probably, guys. There is 50 packets in a box of Haribo's Halloween version for £4 in Tesco's. That's where we got them from. All the types of these sweets, they're all downstairs on the box. I'm not allowed to bring up the whole box for some reason. So they look pretty cool. As you can see, there's this blue backing of the heart, and the bears are like just normal. So let's get into it. So first we're going to have a bear. So there's the bear, of course, and normal. Let's have another one. It tastes really nice, actually. Tastes a bit different, only a bit though. And then we're going to get onto the heart with the blue backing. And so it tastes. Oh, it's really nice. Now we're going to get a cola bottle. But this one's not cola. This one's like, I don't know what that is, purple juice. And then I'm going to taste the ring. The black ring I'm going to put on. Yay, I'm not married, guys. I'm just about to go on FIFA. My name is 916. But I don't know what time this video is gonna get up on my YouTube channel. So now let's have the ring. The ring is very good. So the heart I'll give a 7 out of 10. The cola bottle, I don't taste anything, so I'll give it a 3 out of 10. The ring, don't taste really of anything, just normal, probably like a 5. And the bear, a 6. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.